Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on guys your raise to wake, and guys how can you use it in your poco phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. Guys, you want to on guys your raise to wake, so guys you can on it, and guys now let's see how to on raise to wake and guys how to use it. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on raise to wake, then guys scroll it, guys click on your lock screen setting, and guys you can see your raise to wake. So guys we will on from this right side. So guys how can we use it? So I suppose guys your phone screen is off, and guys when you will take your phone guys your phone screen will on automatic. Friends, you can see that when you will take it, so it will on automatic like that guys, you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to on raise to wake. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So as now we will return guys next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.